Welcome to Infoveave. Here is a quick video on how to create an Excel report using the Infoveave plugin. Infoveave reports use date ranges that are defined relative to the current date or requested date. All data and visualizations are refreshed based on the relative period, such as this month, last 4 weeks, this year. To start, open Excel and select the required template for your report. To install the Infoveave plugin, go to the Home tab, click on Add-ins, search for Infoveave, and click Add. Click Infoveave icon under the Insert tab. Enter your credentials and click Login to link your Excel template with Infoveave. Click Insert Data and select the query. Select the appropriate date range for your widget, for example, last 7 days, last month, etc. The date range allows you to download the report with data relative to the access date. Click Insert as Table to insert the data to your Excel report. To upload the report template to Infoveave, log into your Infoveave account, go to Studio, click Reports, and then click New Report. Name and upload the report template, and click Save. To download the report, click on the download icon. Next, select the date range and click Report as on, Start Date, or End Date. The start date will replace content in the report relative to the start date, and the end date will replace content in the report up to and including the selected end date. Click Add Filters to apply any filter. Click Download Report. The report has been updated with refreshed data relative to the start date. You can also schedule reports through workflows. To know about this feature, watch the video on how to schedule reports through workflows. Thank you for watching.